Good morning. I am Ablesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Roguni College of Engineering Technology. The subject is Manufacturing Technology 2. The subject code is ME8451. Unit 1, Theory of Metal Forming. From this unit, we are going to see about metal cutting, metal removal rate, machining, and the machining operations. First of all, we are seeing about metal cutting. Metal cutting is a process of producing a workpiece by removing the unwanted material from a block of material in a form of chips. This process can be adopted in the following reasons: to achieve a surface finish, to achieve close tolerance, to get complex geometric shapes, and it may be economically to produce a component by machining process. Metal removal process. The metal removal process can be followed by three steps. First one is machining, second one is abrasive process, and the third one is non-traditional process. The definition: a family of shaping operations, the common feature of the which is removal of metal from a starting work part so that the remaining part has a desired geometry. Machining. The machining is a process, metal removal process by a sharp cutting tool, and the abrasive process, it is a metal removal by hard and abrasive particles. In machining, we can use a turning, milling, drilling, shaping operations. They are the examples of machining process. But in abrasive process, the grinding is an example. In non-traditional process, the various energy forms other than the sharp cutting tool to remove the materials. Metal removal, classifications of metal removal. To produce a desired shape by removing segments from an initial oversized piece. It is often referred by a machining. The classifications of metal removal is three types. First one is conventional machining, second one is abrasive process, third one is non-traditional process machining. In the conventional machining, there are four types. First one is turning operation, second is drilling operation, third one is milling operation, and the final one is other machining operations. The metal removal second classification is abrasive process, grinding and other abrasive process. There are two types. First one is grinding, second one is other abrasive process. The non-traditional machining. Then the non-traditional machining, they are in the form of energy. So first one is mechanical energy process, second one is electrochemical energy process, and the third one is thermal energy process, and the fourth one is chemical machining process. Then machining. Machining is a process to cut action involved a shear deformation of work material to form a chip. After machining, it will be converted into a chip. The unwanted materials will be converted into form of chip. As a chip is removed, a new surface is exposed. After machining, the new surface of the component will be exposed. In the diagram, first one is a cross-sectional view of machining process. The tool is here cutting take place at that in the chip formation from the work part. It is an unwanted material. The second diagram is tool with negative rack angle. In the every tool, there will be a rack angle, negative rack angle, and the relief angle. The negative rack angle in the front part of the tool, and the relief angle will be back side of the behind of the tool. Why machining is important? There are three types. First one is variety of work material can be machined. Most frequently used to cut metals. Second one is variety of part shapes and special geometric features possible. And the third one is good dimensional accuracy and surface finish. In the variety of work material can be machined, they are most frequently cutting the metals. But in the second one, they are screw threads, accurate round holes, and very straight edges and surfaces. Disadvantages of machining. First one, waste flow of material. The chips generated in the machining are wasted material at the least in unit operation. In every operation, after metal removal, there will be a formation of chips. It will be waste. It will be considered as a waste. And the time consuming. A machining operation generally take place more time to shape a even part than alternative shaping process, such as casting, powder metrology, or forming. Every operation take more time, so we have to give a more time for every operation, such as shaping, casting, powder metallurgy, and forming, etc. Generally performed after another machining manufacturing process, such as casting, forging, and bar drawing. Machining sequence. In a machining sequence, machining operations, their first one is metrological process. Starting is a initial stage or starting material. Metrologic process. There are three types. First one is casting, metal forming. Third one is powder metrology. From the casting, metal forming, powder metrology, it gives a metal removal process. It is a second single point production or single part production. It is a third stage. It's a metal removal process. It is a removing of unwanted material from the workpiece. And the third one is assembly. It's a final product according to the manufacturing sequence. Machining operations. The most machining operations are turning, drilling, and machining. And the other machining operations are shaping, planning, broaching, sawing. In every area, it is a simple machining operations: turning, drilling, milling. But in machining operations such as shaping, planning, broaching, sawing are done or were not done in a very simple areas. It's a turning process. Turning process is nothing but a single point cutting tool removes material from a rotating piece to form a cylindrical shape. It's a single point cutting tool which removes a material from a rotating workpiece to form a cylindrical. It removes a material entire this area. It will the material will be removed from this cylinder to form a cylindrical shape. It is a workpiece. It is a cutting tool. It is a feed according to the or need. Drilling. It is used to create a round hole using by a means of rotating tool. By rotating tool is nothing but drill bit. There are two cutting edges. A drill bit will be cutting according to the feed motion of the tool. It will be using for a take a hole on a object or take a hole on a workpiece, something, etc. This operation is called as drilling. Milling, rotating multiple cutting edges tool is moved across the work to cut a planar straight surface. There are two forms. First one is peripheral milling, second one is face milling. Peripheral milling, it is in a milling, it's also a milling cutter. It rotates upon the workpiece. And the face milling, it is done by a milling cutter. It rotates upon the face. It will be taking as a, it will be done as a facing in lathe. It is a done will be operation will be done as a facing in lathe. It's a face milling. Machine tools. In this area, machine tool is used to manufacture a metal components of machines through machining, a process whereby metal is selectively removed to the created desired shape. Machine tool is used to create a desired shape to on the workpiece. So when if we need a round rod, then we will be going for turning process on a raw material or workpiece. Okay. Second point is ranging from the simple to complex pieces. Ranging from simple to complex pieces, machines tool can be produced part of different shapes and size. Machine tools. Function of a machine tool. It holds a work part, positions tool related to the work, provides a power at a work speed, feed, and depth that have been set. Type of machine tools. First one is machine, drilling machine, planner, lathe, shaper, and broaching. Some other types of machine tools are drill press, gear shapers, saws, and thread machines are the types of machine tools. Milling machine, this is the milling machine. A machine tool used to machine a solid materials. It is a milling machine. It is figure of a milling machine. In that we'll be using types of milling cutters, slab mills, helical mills, and the coarse tooth mill, and the helical mill, side mill, strategy tooth mill, interlocking mills, and metal slitting saws. Grinding machine. A machine tool used for grinding, a process whereby abrasive wheel is used for the cutting tool. In this area, the abrasive tool is used for abrasive wheel or tool is used for the cutting the unwanted materials from the workpiece. It is a grinding machine. It is a grinding machine. It is a grinding wheel, and it is also a grinding machine, small grinding machine. It is used to remove the by grinding. It is used to remove the unwanted materials from the workpiece. Planer. A metal working machine tools that uses straight or linear movement between the workpiece and the single point cutting tool to machine a linear tool path. In this area, the workpiece folder, the workpiece will be kept in the planer. The workpiece will not move. The tool will be moving front and backward directions. By that, the machining will be take place. The metal removal process will be take place. Lathe. It is a machine tool that rotates a workpiece on its axis to carry out the various operations such as drilling, turning, boring, facing, threading, grooving, and parting off. In this, the workpiece will be held in a chuck. The chuck will be rotating. The spindle and the chuck will be rotating. The workpiece will be rotating. The tool will be stationary. The tool will be held in a tool post. In this lathe, we can do a drilling, turning, boring, facing, threading, grooving, and parting of operations. Shaper. A machine tool that uses straight or linear motion between the workpiece and a single point cutting tool to machine a linear tool path. In this area, the ram on the shaper will move front and backward, but the two workpiece will be stationary. The tool will be movable part. It is a single point cutting tool to machine a linear tool path. Broaching machine. A machine tool that uses a toothed tool or broach to remove a material. In this machine, we'll be using a toothed tool to remove the material. This tool can be used two types, namely rotatory or linear. The tool can be used in a rotatory and linear motions. The tooth will be in the tooth will be situated in a tool. It will be broach the workpiece and it will make the metal removal process. Thank you.